I have a new item to show you that I just found. It is a pocket flashlight. Let's take a look at the box. This is the name of the company that makes it. And it takes one AAA battery. As you can see, it's very, very small. I did add a little keychain little ring on it. It has this little thing here. You could put a strap on it. I just put a ring on it. It also has this little thing here. You can put it on a backpack or on your belt. And very lightweight. And to operate it, you turn it. So you, okay, that's how you turn it on and off. It's just by turning it. So that's pretty easy. I'm going to take this outside so I can see how well it does in the dark. Is where you need to see. So let's go check it out. Okay, here's the low setting. Not super bright. Let's see, that's the low setting. And now I'm going to try the high. Yeah, the high setting's really good. For the size of the flashlight, and that it only has one battery, this is actually really, really bright. Let's see how it looks without and with. Out and with. Here we go in the back. See how good that looks? So this would be perfect for camping because you want to put something on your backpack that is as light as possible. I'm loving this high setting. Yeah, this thing is great. Wow. I have to say I'm very impressed with this, and overall I love this little flashlight. Just one small battery, very bright, very lightweight, and it's going to be perfect to be able to take. I can put it on my keychain. I can take it camping. So yes, I definitely recommend this light. It's bright and it's nice and well built. So it's, yeah, I love it.
If you like this video, feel free to hit subscribe and let me know your thoughts in the comments. Bye.